Hi guys, what is dropshipping, its advantage and future? In recent years, the world of e-commerce has witnessed a revolutionary business model now as a dropshipping. This innovative approach has a transformed how entrepreneurs start and manage their online store, eliminating the need for inventory management, upfront investment, and complex logistics. In this video, we will explore the concept of dropshipping, its benefit and challenging and its evolving role in the modern business landscape. Let's begin. Understanding the dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller does not keep any physical product in stock. Instead, the seller partners with supplier or wholesaler who handle the inventory shipment process. When a customer places an order on the seller online store, the seller transfers the order detail to the supplier who then ship the product directly to the customer. As a result, the seller does not have to handle the product direct, allowing them to focus on marketing, customer service, and driving sales. The benefit of dropshipping: low startup cost. One of the major advantages of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. Traditional retail model requires significant upfront investment in inventory, warehousing, and fulfillment infrastructure. With dropshipping, entrepreneurs can launch an online store with minimal financial risk since they only purchase product from supplier after receiving order from customer. Flexibility and scalability. Dropshipping offers tremendous flexibility for business owners since they do not need to manage inventory. Entrepreneurs can experiment with a wide range of products without the of being stuck with unsold items. Additionally, dropshipping allows for easy scaling as the businesses grow with your supplier handling the increasing volume of order. Wide product range. Dropshipping enables sellers to offer a vast area of product without the need of physical storage space. Entrepreneurs can create their product catalog from multiple suppliers, providing customers with a diverse selection to choose from. Location independence. The online nature of dropshipping enables entrepreneurs to run their business from anywhere with an internet connection. This freedom allows for a flexible lifestyle and the opportunity to tap into global market. Challenging and strategy for success. Intense competition. Dropshipping has gained popularity, leading to increased competition in various niches. To stand out, entrepreneurs must focus on identifying unique product offerings, developing strong branding, and providing exceptional customer services. Supplier reliability. Relying on supplier for product quality and timely shipping can be challenging. Thoroughly researching and waiting suppliers, establishing clear communication channel, regularly monitoring their performance can mitigate these risks. Profit margin and pricing. Since the seller does not have control over the product cost, pricing become a critical factor in dropshipping. Balancing competitive pricing while maintaining healthy profit margin require careful consideration and ongoing optimization. Customer experiences. At the face of the business, seller must prioritize providing a positive customer experience. This including efficient order processing, timely and accurate communication, and promptly resolving any issue. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more amazing content.